Hey everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common question: how to block someone on Instagram. Whether it's for privacy reasons or to manage your online interactions, blocking someone on Instagram is a straightforward process. Stick around as we guide you through it step by step. First things first, open the app and log into your account. Now, let's find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by either searching for their username in the search bar or by going through your followers or following list. Once you're on their profile, we can move on to the next step. Look for the three dots in the top right corner of their profile. This is where you'll find the options menu. Tap on those dots to open up a list of actions you can take related to that user. Scroll down the options until you find Block. When you tap on this, Instagram will ask you to confirm if you really want to block this user. It's essential to be sure because once you block someone, they won't be able to see your posts, stories, or interact with your account. Confirm your decision by tapping Block again on the confirmation prompt. And there you have it, you've successfully blocked that user on Instagram. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. Blocking someone on Instagram is a powerful tool to control your online experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any other questions or tutorial requests, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe online.